Hey, what's up everyone? We're here at the DRT VIP cocktail party. We got the new Singer DLS literally right behind you, and a bunch of singers, but I'm gonna give you a little walk around the DLS, show you kind of basically the exterior. They won't let us actually go inside of it for right now, hopefully a little bit later, but walk around the DLS. We go through the singers, the rest of the cars out in the parking lot, a little bit of the atmosphere here in South Florida. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna get started right now with the DLS. Hey guys, here we have a perfect example of what Singer's classic version of a 911 is. This one actually has a sunroof option along with other features. Let's walk around and compare it to the other ones. Alrighty guys, we're going to end it up here with the flout pack and the GT2 RS. Make sure to watch the DRT video coming up next. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We'll keep it going on YouTube. Alright, peace out. Take care guys.